Hello everyone, welcome to 4th grade second term drill on SC Phonetics. If this is your first time of watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. My name is Mr. Darlington. In this video, we are going to talk about this sound and this sound. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. This sound, is a long sound because it has two dots called length marker and also has a spelling pattern where you can find the sound Let's take words with their spelling patterns. O and UE, that sounds ew. Number 1, tooth. Number 2, boom. Number 3, groom. Number 4, glue. Number 5, blue. Number 6, sue. Now pronounce it again. Great job! Let's learn to transcribe, but first you have to know that converting word into phonetic symbol is called transcription, and the lines between the phonetic symbols are called slashes. Simple rules in transcription. Rule 1. Don't transcribe with capital letters. Rule 2. The letter C turns K in transcription, and letter K remains K. So, get an exercise book in front of you. Let's learn to transcribe. Let's transcribe words with sound ew. Number 1, groom. First, you have to write your slash, then the sound g, and also r. Then change your OO to the phonetic symbol U and the sound Then close your slash. Number 2, clue. Remember, your letter C turns K. So first, your slash, then your sound K, letter K, and the sound L, and change your UE to the phonetic symbol U. Close your slash. Guess you have your pen with you. Now I'm going to give you 15 seconds to transcribe boom and sue with the sound ew. Let's go. Excellent! Very simple, right? Our next sound is the sound O. O. This goes with words that have OE and OA. That sounds O. O. Number 1, home. Number 2, work. Number 3, vote. Number 4, road. Number 5, boat. Number 6, float. Let's say it again. Bravo! Let's transcribe words with sound O. Number 1, coat. Your letter C turns K. So first you slash, then your sound K, letter K. And the O and the E turns to O. That is the phonetic symbol. And also the sound D. Then close your slash. Number 2, load. Your slash and the sound L. Your OA turns to the phonetic symbol O and the sound D. Then close your slash. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to transcribe poke and goat with the sound O. Let's go. Excellent! Home drill. Transcribe the words showing on your screen with the sound U and the sound O. And remember, don't transcribe with capital letter. And also, your letter C turns K, but letter K remains K. Cheerio, and you say